How to regroove a tire. This video will show you step by step how I regroove a tire. First of all, it must be a regroovable tire. I usually just only regroove Michelins. On the tire on the sidewall, it will be standing regroovable. If there's not on the tire any marks or writing that say it can be regroovable, don't regroove it, first of all. And second of all, I rotate my tire. I'm looking for any obstacles or rocks or anything, but I've already done it with this tire. As you can see, I've already started regrooving this tire, but I just want to show you guys how I do it. So let's start from here. I measure in the small holes in here. I use a caliper or a vernier. I put it inside. Here's my vernier. I put it inside the hole. Flash. See, it's 9 millimeters. So I do that around the tire, whole tire. I measure it around the tire. Then I get my lowest number. In this case it's 8 millimeters. There's a 9, there's a 9.5, but 8 is my lowest number. So I cut accordingly to that. Because if I cut too deep, I may go to my reinforcing, which will lead to tire bursts or cracks or whatever. So he doesn't want that. So then I got my measurements, which is 8 millimeter. I use the tip-top rubber cutter. It's a machine specially designed for cutting or regrooving your tires. Then I set my blade to 8 millimeters using this tool over here. So I will put it inside here. That's 7 millimeters. Here's 8 millimeters. See, it's quite nice. It's a nice fit. 8 millimeters. Then I start cutting. I usually cut my straight lines first. I start in the middle. I work sideways on my straight lines. Then I cut my horizontal lines like this. I follow the same pattern, just look nicer when the tire looks the same. I leave open spaces in between. Cut, leave open, cut, leave open. I will cut a line just to show you guys how I do it. Sometimes if you hold it too long at one position, it may start smoking. Then you know your machine is too hot or you are cutting too slow. Sorry for that. Alright. See, I cut as far as possible. Then I will remove this piece of rubber I just cut out. See, it's not a lot of rubber, but at least you will get, if you cut it correctly, measure correct, you can get easily an extra 140 kilometers out of a tire. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. Ask any questions in the comments below. I'll keep watching. Try and assist you guys as far as possible. So, take care, guys.